Are your supply chain operations truly prepared for the age of AI? If you're relying on rigid software or fragmented data, you're falling behind. I'm Randy McClure with SC Tech Insights. This month's research details how combining data readiness, multi-agent AI workflow, and outbound logistics creates an unstoppable competitive moat.
Organizations pour millions into workflow automation and siloed applications, only to leave their teams and their new AI agents starved of the context they need. Because massive software systems are transient, staying competitive now requires a state of data readiness, where information is decoupled from the applications that created it. This briefing details how to feed the new AI cognitive assembly line and the exact tracking architecture required for 360-degree supply chain visibility. Without a pivot to data liquidity, businesses remain paralyzed by legacy tech, unable to leverage the speed of autonomous systems. Legacy ERPs and warehouse management platforms share a specific flaw. They treat data as a temporary operational byproduct, trapping it inside inaccessible silos. To resolve this, data must be treated as a permanent, enterprise-wide strategic asset that outlives the lifecycle of any single software application. This architecture creates a single source of truth, eliminating conflicting departmental spreadsheets and duplicate databases. This unified structure is the requirement for automation, as AI agents are only as intelligent as the data context they can instantly access. IT departments are now moving past reactive tech support to deploy these multi-agent AI workflows, forming a new cognitive assembly line. Choosing a new AI model is a secondary concern if the underlying architecture is too fractured to deliver the high velocity, on demand analytics those models need to function. We see this problem in outbound logistics, where digital gaps frequently break the links between planning, execution, and freight payment. These phases are synchronized using the transport unit identifier, a golden thread assigned at the initial planning stage. This standardized reference ID links all shipment data across its entire lifecycle without losing the connection between disparate systems. This automated tracking capability exposes the limits of traditional IT metrics that focus on software deployment dates and system uptime. The practical yardstick for technology investments is now decision velocity, the speed and accuracy of the decisions the tech enables. By combining this identifier with high velocity analytics, operations can shift from reacting to disruptions days late to rerouting shipments in a matter of minutes. When IT infrastructure focuses on enabling these decisive outcomes, the department functions as a proactive economic engine for the enterprise. This engine cannot start if critical business data remains trapped in rigid application silos.
Hello, this is Randy McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening. For more on this topic, click the article link below or go to www.sctechinsights.com for the latest insights on supply chain technology. Thank you and see you next time.